Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing an unboxing of the Marc Jacobs mini leather tote bag. Yes, the tote bag that you've seen all down your timeline. You've seen it on YouTube, you've seen the canvases, you've seen the leather, you've seen the mini, you've seen the small, and I caved. I got it. So there's a reason behind why I got this bag though. So I have been lurking on webs, because I've been home, and so I've been looking on different websites, and the Louis Vuitton on-the-go PM bag have been going across my mind since last year. And I don't carry big bags. All my handbags are small. They're mini or small bags, or this bag is the biggest bag that I'll have in my collection. So I was just like, I want to get some type of tote bag that I'll be able to carry and see will it fit my lifestyle for me. So for a living, I travel for a living. I'm always on the airplane. I'm always going in and out of hotels. And so I'm thinking to myself, do I really want this tote bag? How am I going to interact with it? Because like I said, all my bags are small. I like something grab and go because I'm always on the go. So I just wanted to see exactly how this will fit. I don't really carry a lot of stuff, just a bunch of stuff on the go. But so far, so good. Even though it says that it's medium, it's huge. I mean, even on the outside, it kind of looks small, but when you open it, there's so much room. I'm not even gonna have enough stuff to fit in there, to be honest with you, because I don't carry that much stuff. I tried to hang you up a little bit right here on my little closet thingy where you can put the clothes at or whatever, to kind of get like a better view of it. But I like it a lot. I do have the Dior mini tote bag, and compared to this bag, it's big. It's way big. I probably won't use the strap, but I just was trying to get you guys a full view of what it will look like. But overall, I like it so far. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.